everybody that tune in every week. Thank you so much to my followers. Thank you so much to my subscribers. Without you, this wouldn't be possible. There is 50 videos on Opera Mama G on YouTube. Wow. I thought one video was a lot, but I am up to 50 videos now, and it's 1 year. And guess what? I ain't stopping here. So let's start off year 2 really strong. And this is what you could do to help me out, everyone. For those of you that did not subscribe to my channel yet, I'm gonna ask you to go today and subscribe as a happy anniversary present to me. So subscribe to my channel. Once you're there, watch the videos, leave a comment, hit the like button. Why do I keep telling you every week to hit the like button? Because it'll get to more people. My content will go and more people will see it. So everyone, thank you so much for making this possible. I love to do these videos for you. They bring me such joy and happiness. I love sharing my family values with you, and I really enjoy doing this. So thank you so much, everybody. So I want feedback, everybody. So since it's the 1 year anniversary, I'm gonna ask you a really important question. What videos do you want to see more of? Write in the comments below. So happy 1 year anniversary to the Opera Mama G channel!